To show fingerprint scanner icon when you tap the screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under security section, tap biometric. Tap fingerprint. Enter your current secure screen lock. As the example, if you use pattern, draw your pattern. While fingerprint always on option is on, tap show icon when the screen is off. And then select tap to show. Now when the screen is off, you can tap the screen to show the fingerprint scanner icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.